look at all of this. You're seeing that right. We have some big unboxings to do, including a brand new panel. Let's get started, everyone. Alright, we're going to start with the smallest box right here. Oh! Okay, this was actually, it doesn't look like the thing I ordered, but we'll open it up real quick and just make sure. Alright, good. I got the right item. Alright. So I got a Simplex 4098-9714 smoke detector for my Simplex panel because I need to get a new one. So there's that. So now we're going to move on to the other brown cardboard box. Alright, on to the second box. I'm actually not entirely sure what's in this box. I've been told it could be a number of different things, so let's go ahead and open it and take a look inside. Alright. Alright. So first we have this. Wherever my... Alright. Let's have a look. This is a... This appears to be the main control card for an AutoCall rebrand of the 2001. Cool. Here's a zone card. This appears to be the almost like a status card. It has a silence and a trouble LED on it. Cut into this. And here's an actual 2001, if you can see it, 2001 NAP card. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and jump cut to when, to after I've unboxed all these cards, because there's a lot of them. Alright, so this is everything in that box. Right here, this is a Firelight PSM 104B. So I'm guessing this is a power supply for an older Firelight panel. Not sure which one, but here it is. It's got a nice big transformer on the back. And yeah, there's that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. Back here, this is a Simplex 2001 motherboard. So you can see right there. It's very nice. It comes with the 8 card slots. This is like the board you would mount all of your cards on. And it also came with the control card, a zone card with the alarm, test, and disconnect switches, another 2-zone card right here, as well as a NAC card. So there's that. Right here, now this is something pretty cool. This is, I want to say it's an autocall, is what the brand on this is. But it's almost like their rebrand of the 2001. It's really, really rare. And this is a complete unit, minus the cabinet. It's got the whole card assembly here. It has the AC power and battery indicator. It has 2 dual zone cards. This trouble alarm card and a control card. So yeah, there's that. I believe it's missing a NAC card. I'm not sure if it needs one or not, but other than that, this is a complete panel right here. So now we're going to move on to the Silent Night panel. And now, for the final part, we're going to be doing the Silent Night panel unboxing. I think a lot of you guys are really going to like this one. So let's open it. Gotta be careful opening this because this is brand new. Let's open up this last side here. Alright. Here we go. Stay down. Alright. So I'm going to remove these papers because you're probably not supposed to see those. And now, take this off. 3, 2, 1. There it is. This is a basically brand new Silent Night 5820 XL. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the door and see if there's anything inside. Alright. See if I can have to go there. There we go. See, it's got a nice brand new board in it. Comes with this piece, which I think goes on the door. Comes with a full manual. Some, looks like some resistors and the battery cables, as well as a, you can't really see it in there, but a pair of operator keys. So there it is. I'm going to be doing a whole lot with this new panel right here. It's actually going to go in the place of the 4008 on the demo board. And you'll see what I did with the 4008 in a future video. So there's that. That is really exciting that I got this. How I got it, you know? This is like a brand new panel. I can't wait to do a whole lot with this and use it in a whole lot of videos and show lots of really cool stuff with this. Alright, that is going to wrap up our large unboxing video today. As you can see, I unboxed a lot of stuff today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my fire alarm GroupMe server. The link's going to be in the description below. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram and my eBay. They're both going to be in the description. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, everyone.